Want to get to a KHOU 11 exclusive, a story that has shaken families in the Houston area.
Yeah, first families found the bodies of loved ones exposed in a Houston mortuary. State regulators suspended operations. Now it's been closed for good. Tonight, we're finally hearing from the attorney representing the owner of the mortuary. Maria Aguilera, live in our newsroom. Maria, what did he have to say?
Yeah, that's right. I spoke exclusively with the attorney for the owner of Richardson Mortuary, and he tells me his client is innocent. He says the owner has been dealing with serious health issues, is devastated by everything that's happened, and claims there's more to the story. Tonight, new details in the ongoing investigation into Richardson Mortuary. Now, the state confirms the business has been locked out with its lease officially terminated. It started April 11th when a family allegedly entered the mortuary and recorded disturbing videos of bodies, later posted to social media. Police say a worker then stabbed a man recording, claiming self-defense. 13 bodies were removed and taken to various locations.
We just trying to see where she is or where they moving her body to.
The Texas Funeral Service Commission stepped in, issuing a cease and desist order on April 14. A week later, HPD recovered 89 sets of cremated remains. Some families say they'd been waiting for months. When were you supposed to get her ashes?
They told us it'll take at least a week or two.
Now the state says Richardson Mortuary still hasn't turned over key records. The commission names the representatives of Richardson Mortuary as Michael Richardson and Gail Bale. And after repeated attempts to reach owner Michael Richardson, KHOU 11 is now hearing from his attorney, Rick DeToto.
He is very sorry for the delay. He's very sorry for their apparent lack of communication.
I also called Gail Bale. I've just been covering the ongoing investigation into Richardson Mortuary, and I wanted to see if you had comment. Her response was, no comment. Speaking with DeToto, he says Richardson has been in the hospital dealing with a serious health condition. Anything to say about the families that have been waiting on their cremated remains for up to over a year?
I can tell you that Mr. Richards is devastated by what's happened.
He claims Richardson was blindsided, adding that he's a pillar in the community and that his health condition was dire. Was somebody else in charge, and were they supposed to keep operations going?
Yeah, definitely. There was somebody in charge, and we're not prepared to talk about that or tell you that publicly, but I do know there's a backstory.
I reached out to Houston police. They confirmed the investigation is still ongoing. The Texas Funeral Service Commission tells me the mortuary is officially closed with no plans to reopen. And I'm told state investigators plan to be in Houston next week to collect the rest of the records they're missing. Len.
What an ordeal for those families. Maria, thank you for the update.